finish the AP, you should move on to other subject. Continue to work on the CS for more advanced topic. Okay, that's better.
Wait, was it length or size?
Hmm?
Was it length?
You have to remember. This one you can use loop, and in fact, you only check for these and these two possible case. So loop is not really needed.
Oh,
Right? It's okay, you can continue, but I mean, in fact, it's just you just need to check this.
new ends, yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Your first one's your English is wrong. There's a two immediately followed by, not three follow two, three follow two, not two follow three.
Wait, isn't it this?
No,
There is a 2 in the very immediately followed by 3. So, like,
two followed by three is two before three.
oh, really?
Really, that's English, right?
Yeah, I don't know English very well. I gotta practice more. Oh, oh, okay.
Ariana, you get started, okay? This part wrong.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to change this.
Slow down, slow down. You kind of panic. Somehow you're not 100% a day. Okay, this one I suggest that you when you get started, you just say integer a equals num0, b equals num1, c equals num2. Then you say if a equals 2, b equals 3, and or b equals 2, c equals 3, return new integer array, and then put in the a, b, whatever in there. That would be easier because you do not need to type the nums of 0, nums 1 over several times.
Okay.
Is that okay? Not that you're wasting your time. So you struggle because you always just type in those numbers and look at something wrong. So be careful. Your English still need to improve. You misunderstood this part. Okay. Next one, let me have Leo. Leo, your turn. It is okay. You need time. Okay. You need time. You need to improve your English. Okay. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Hi, Harrison, your turn. One more problem.
This one, and
Okay. Next one.
I'm working on this one.
Hmm. This part must be wrong, no matter what is wrong. What do you mean by substring one and substring two?
I cut I remove the oh yeah, the part. It's one.
Must be wrong.
Yeah.
What do you mean by substring one and four?
Like, isn't it? Isn't it like 4 and on?
Yeah, this is okay, but your one is from the later first index one to the end. That's wrong.
Oh yeah.
You did not check the length.
Oh yeah.
Every single one of them is actually shorter length. You don't check. Shorter length, you do not have the DEL, so you cannot do the. You go to here, you'll be wrong. Okay, so let me have Liana. Liana, your turn. Liana, continue what you're doing in solo learn, okay? Finish that first.
Okay.
You at least add 2 sessions to see if you pick up, okay? You need to speed up at least 2 sessions, but it can maybe more, okay, for Monday's part. So the goal for you is to the end of the August, you need to finish the whole Python coding back, okay? The Python portion need to finish. In September, you will get started for JavaScript and AP projects, okay? So that's the goal. We need you to speed up, that's why, because I don't want you to fall behind in the AP exams project, okay? Work harder. Okay, continue. Next one, let me have Jian. Jian, your turn. Why this one divided by 3? What's your purpose?
I'm trying to, so like if there's 4 here, then I want to divide it into 3 portions. So
Why do you need to divide into 3 portions?
I want to get how many like elements there are for the, oh wait, I think I misunderstood this question.
You misunderstood? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
It said that in the middle two, you just need to see cut in the middle is even length. So this part and this part are the same. And they want you to pick up the 2 elements in the middle. Okay. This is too complicated. You just need to have a divide by 2. Divide by 2, you have middle. So let's see. Let's assume that you have 4 elements. You divide by 2, you put 0, 1, 2. 2 is right here. 2 is 2 here. The middle on the right. So you need to pick up this middle on the right and middle on the left. These 2. This is m and m minus 1. So you don't need to minus 2. Why do you need that minus 2? It doesn't
I
help
was
you.
gonna do like this margin plus
Hmm?
margin, yeah. So I was gonna do like this and then unit like this, yeah.
Let's do this. How about
I think
how
yeah,
about how about you just divide by 2?
that'll work.
How about you just do divide by 2 and then you do margin minus 1 and margin. Why do you need to do m and m plus 1? I don't get it, okay? Your logic, I don't get it. That's actually more complicated. No, you don't need to delete it. You delete it, your lambda length. You need to have the lambda length to divide it by 2 for 2 times. Even worse. So a better solution is that you just follow it simply, just do integer m equals, just do integer, I'm sorry, integer n equals nums length divide by 2. M is shorter. Why do you need to have a margin? What does the margin mean to you? That's so important. You want to type it for longer. Why don't you just use a M?
I think you forgot the nums.
Yeah, that I'll change it later.
Yeah, okay.
I forgot what?
Yeah,
Oh,
that part.
delete it.
And then the plus 1.
This is easy and short, right?
Yeah.
Then why do you need to ask for trouble? I don't get it. I totally don't get it. What's your logic to do the plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 and then getting the variable longer names? I don't get it. Just do it as simple as possible because in the competition, time is money. Is that okay? You have to change your habit. Time is money. Next one, let me have Leo. Leo, your turn. You need to build up your habit to be competitive. I'm a coach. I'm a competitive programming coach. So what I can tell you is how to make yourself competitive. Okay. You want to follow, you follow. You don't want to follow, I have no way to change you. That's it. But coach job is tell you move fast, right? That's what we do. Oh, okay, good job. Next one, let me have Harrison.
I did this one.
Okay, next one. Okay, next one. This one's okay, but one problem is that why don't you just use a variable, just m equals a? Why do you need to have a or arg? You like typing?
No.
You want to type more letters? Okay, that's one thing. Okay, don't change, don't change, don't change. I don't need you to change. I'm not intending to change your code. That's just a typing problem, okay?
Okay.
So that's one thing. Keep simple. Unless that you are in the AP exam, you want to make the name longer for the reader to read it. Usually in competitive programming, one letter is the best available name, okay?
Okay.
And this one you can do maximum or two things, or maximum of A comma B, then compare with C, that's it. Okay,
Okay.
this one,
I'm
One-
working on this one.
one more.
Okay.
You must learn to be direct, right direct in coding, okay? The most important thing is be direct and short.
Okay.
We are not AP literature, so we don't do verbose. We don't need to make your sentence as long as possible. Add the 2000 of the adjective into your sentence. That's not computer science. That's
Okay.
AP literature, okay?
Yeah.
Use this stuff. You add those sentimental words doesn't help you in CS because it doesn't improve your score. Okay? Just do something direct. Remember this keyword, direct. Don't waste your time on typing. The last one, you do not need to have an if. Why do you need to spend that again? You have the m equals 0, one case, m equals n, one case, m greater than n, that's one case, and then the rest of them is n less than n. You don't need to have an else part.
Okay.
Okay, this one let me have Liana, your turn. And here now one more session, okay? Okay, thank you. Next one, go back to Jian, your turn. One moment. One moment, go back, go back, go back. This one, 0, you return that, 1, you return that. This one actually you just less than 2. And then you return nums. That's it. You don't need to have this even check the length of 1. Right? Hello? Is that okay? Hello? Is that okay? I did not hear you. Yeah?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next one, let me have Leo. Leo, your turn. Don't rush, okay? See clearly before you call. Don't waste your call. Okay, one more. Okay. Next one, we have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
Next one is short.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Use the minimum and maximum one to change the problem. Okay?
Okay.
You don't need to compare A, B because this way you are lucky this time. Okay? You're lucky this time. Next one, let me have Liana here on your turn. Chosen in subject, not subject in chosen. Chosen in subject is to check whether chosen variable is in subject or not. Return is correct. Where you take out return. Chosen in subject is this variable in this variable is true, will give you true or false. Just like A in an array, then that's A, whether A in the array or not, you will know. A is an element, array is a collection. Okay? Okay. This one, let me have Jian, your turn. B should just return two letters. Wait, what are you doing? Is it B, the last one you else return B, B may be longer, that's the problem.
Oh, oh no, oh yeah. Wait, let me see. Wait, what? Turn and yield int. Use-
And then else is not needed, you don't need the else, because at the end, you already all return that. Right?
Yeah.
And where's your code? Next one, let me have Leo, your turn. There are several ways to write the same program, but we just want you to be efficient, okay? Not necessarily you're wrong, but sometimes we just criticize because you don't get the best solution or quicker solution. This one is if just return. Let me see. This one, if you have if A return true, else return false, you just return A. You don't need to. Is that okay?
Okay.
Just return the Boolean condition. That's good enough. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Go. Next one. Next one. This one won't sweat. You actually add these three letters, the last three letters to uppercase. If the string has less than three letters, the whatever uppercase there. Okay, this one, okay. Next one.
I'm working on this one.
Yeah, try this one. This one you don't know what you're doing, right?
Hmm?
This one you don't know what you're doing, right?
I'm trying to do it so like it takes like the letter. I'm trying to code like the splicing from like Python.
From Python,
Like the idea of like splicing.
there's no splicing here. I don't
Yeah,
see any splicing.
I'm trying to do like the idea of it.
This is not splicing. You are not trying any splicing at all. Even that is not splicing at all. You really don't know what you are doing right here. So tell me why you need to do m equals m plus this one here. What's the purpose for this line? M equals m plus this.
Because it says it needs like the first one.
Who said that?
It says here.
Your I equals 0 already test the first one, so this line is totally useless. You go into there, you already have I equals 0. So that's not what you needed.
Wait, but this loop doesn't like add the first letter to M though.
Every single one, they actually have the M, miracle, every other two. Why do you need to just arbitrarily add the first one? And then why here n plus 1? Who is n plus 1?
Like the nth letter.
Nth letter, what is n?
This number.
This number is 2, so 2 plus 1. And then 3 plus 1, is that what you wanted?
Oh no, no.
That's what you did. So I say you don't know what you're doing. Right?
Yeah.
You don't need that extra variables. This one is nice and easy. You don't need to increase and you don't need to change it. Stop. You don't know what you are doing. You don't need anything else. This single for loop is good enough. Here you just need to change the I plus 1, that's later I, but every time your I should be increased by n.
Wow.
That's it. That's a splicing. That's what you are doing is not. You're totally wrong everywhere. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm not criticizing you. Why you put that n plus, I don't know. Why you increase your n? The problem is that every time you increase the n is your step size, not your variable change. You don't change your step size. Every time you are 0, 3, 6, 9, the step size is 3. Why are you changing this step size?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
That's what I say. You don't understand what you are doing. Next one, let me have Liana. Liana, your turn.
Well, Dr. Chow,
Hmm?
do I start working on string -1?
Whatever level 1.
Okay.
Anything 1, the large one, okay. String 1, okay. Or large array 1, okay. The bottom line is that you need to finish level 1 before you go to the 1 up 2. Are you okay?
I think it's just to leave it blank, but I don't think that's right.
Put a zero is
since-
okay. Put a zero is okay. The first three letter is actually 0, 3. 0, 3 and the blank 3 is the same. So is that okay?
Yeah.
I think you finish your session. Okay, I can stop you. Okay. This one let me have the after you is actually Jan, your turn. Well, probably the last turn because we already A59.
Yeah.
Where are you going to map one? No, not map one. Go back. Click
I've
the
already done the
yeah. But go back. Map is a little bit not related to AP. So after each one I know, but not going to the one. You actually next one go to warm up two. So warm up two. Okay, go back. Let me show you what's the order. Warm up two and then label two. Here is 3 label two. And then AP1, after the 2 level 2, then AP1 and recursion 1, 2. After recursion 1, 2, copy there to level 3, then come to the map, okay? Is okay? This one first. Okay, go ahead. This one
one.
first, and then level 2, that's the second one. I'm sorry, and then next one is the AP1 and recursion 1, 2. Okay, that's the number 3. And then go to the level 3 one, that's number 4. And then the last is the right here. Okay, the right hand side always the last one. Because
Then-
right hand side totally not related to AP. This is non-AP, no AP tested right here. Everything here is related to AP. On the left is related to AP. So we want you to get started with 1 up 2 first. Okay? We want you to build up the AP part first. Okay? I don't want you to waste your time on something that AP don't test.
Was there a repeat function on this like
Repeat
jump?
function is okay, but we do not recommend you to do repeat here. Just do for loop. Repeat function is okay, but that's too easy. You actually do not learn anything. And also repeat is a new function after maybe Java 17 or something. Actually, it's not a new function. It's very new function. So if the server, say the server that installed it on website is older, they may not support. Okay? It's not a new function. It's not an old function. It's a new one. Okay, good job. Okay, you continue. Okay, next one, let me have Leo. Leo, your turn. We need to finish. Okay, we are over 9 o'clock already. Everyone doing okay so far. The thing is that you need to always improve your efficiency. Okay, go. Oh, not yet. You are not done yet.
Wait, do I leave?
Yeah, you are okay to be dismissed. Yes.
Yeah.
Good night then. Okay, good job. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn. One more. This one is easy.
Dr. Joe.
One more. Yeah, you can leave. Yeah,
Oh,
good night.
thank you. Yeah, bye.
Next one. Keep going. Yeah, go, this one. One more.
Okay.
This one, you know you are going to use it for 3 times. So why don't you actually just why don't you just do this?
Okay.
You know you are going to use it for several times. And why you need to type it or copy, you're wasting your time. Be direct, okay? Don't make something you actually wasting your time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good night and bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.